Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a 20-minute full body workout at home, no equipment needed. This workout is perfect for fat burn, strength, and toning, and you can do it anywhere. If you're ready, let's start. Let's warm up the body. March in place. Now, arm circles forward and backward. Let's begin with slow jumping jacks. Good. Now for hip circles. Great, your body is warm. Let's move on. Lower down slowly and back up. Keep the pace easy. That's it. Now, workout circuit. Round 1, squats. Chest up and down. Push through your heels. That's one. Okay, mountain climbers, drive those knees. Faster, keep that core tight. Almost there, push. Let's do alternating lunges. Right leg first, step and down. Push up, now the left. Great job. Control your movement. Focus on form, not speed. Let's do high knees. Lift those knees high. Keep it up. Feel that burn. Almost there. Push. Squeeze at the top. Lower with control. Hold that plank. Breathe steady. Keep your core tight. A few more seconds. You're building strength. Okay, let's begin. Bicycle crunches. Keep your core tight and exhale on the twist. Great work. Keep that pace. Let's do a wall sit. Slide down until your thighs are parallel. Hold it right there. Feel the burn in your quads and push back up. Great job. Now, cool down and stretch workout. Slowly down now. Do you feel that stretch? And release slowly. Let's start with a big stretch up high. Now, a gentle crossbody stretch and release. Great job. Let's do a hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor, legs straight, reach forward, grab your shins. Keep your back straight. Hold the stretch and breathe. Let's do a standing quad stretch. Grab your foot and pull it toward your glutes. Hold for balance and release. Great job. Let's start with an overhead shoulder stretch. Reach up high. Now for a tricep stretch. Reach down your back. Hold it. Let's begin. Inhale deeply through your nose as you raise your arms. One more time. Awesome job! You just completed a 20-minute full body home workout. Feel that energy? You're unstoppable. If you enjoyed this workout, like the video, subscribe, and comment done below. See you in the next workout.